This is the elevator at Sears at Crabtree Valley Mall in Raleigh, North Carolina. Been to various elevator photographers have filmed here before. But that's not the only reason why I'm filming at this right now. It's my first time filming this, but this will also be my final ride. Because, look at this right here. Store's closing. So, this was my childhood Sears store, and I'll miss it so much. Now, let's take one last final ride. They have plans to redevelop it, but I don't know what it's going to be turning into. Well, the store's set to close on November 25th. There it goes, and I will miss you, Sears.